Today, we're installing and reviewing the Olixar film screen protector for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. If you've recently received your Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, then you're probably looking for a screen protector. If that's the case, we're here for you. As always, we suggest starting off by turning off your phone, just so the screen doesn't keep illuminating when you're fitting the screen protector. This will make it easier to see if there's any dust on your screen as well. Film tends to be slightly more fiddly to fit than glass, so make sure you take your time with this installation. In the box, you get 2 film screen protectors, wet wipes, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth. You also get an application card to assist with the installation and removing bubbles from underneath the protector. First of all, you'll need to take a wet wipe and wipe off all fingerprints. This will remove any oil and fingerprints off the screen. Next, you'll need the microfiber cloth to remove any moisture left over from the wet wipe. Now we're on to the most important part, getting rid of the dust that is on your display. Use the provided dust removal sticker to gather up all dust by repeatedly dabbing it on the screen. Take your time, as any little bit left over will ruin the installation. Now I will use the guide stickers with this installation. I'm going to place one on the top and the other on the bottom. This will make it easier to hold the protector without touching the adhesive. Now guide the screen protector towards your screen and line it up. When you're happy with the placement and that the camera is centered in the hole, you can grab the squeegee and push out any bubbles towards the edge of the screen. Once all bubbles are removed, you can carefully remove the outer plastic. Now it's installed, let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice about this screen protector is that it's nice and thin, which means any case that you have will fit perfectly. Now, the screen protector will take scratches and stop your screen getting scratched and damaged. However, it will then have scratches on itself. This means you may need to swap them out a little more often than glass ones. Thankfully, there is 2 in the box, so you already have a spare. Coverage of the screen is good. However, it will not go right to the edge. Otherwise, it would be more likely to lift in the corners and ruin the installation. Overall, I think these screen protectors are great if you still want a nice, thin profiled phone. They'll stop your screen getting damaged without the added bulk of a glass one. If you want to purchase this screen protector, head over to the links below. And if you want more content from Mobile Fun, please drop us a like and subscribe.